Rule 18. Responsibilities between vessels. Except where Rules 9, 10 and 13 otherwise require. Paragraph A. A power-driven vessel under way shall keep out of the way of 1. A vessel not under command, 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to manoeuvre, 3. A vessel engaged in fishing, 4. A sailing vessel. Paragraph B. A sailing vessel under way shall keep out of the way of 1. A vessel not under command, 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to manoeuvre, 3. A vessel engaged in fishing. Paragraph C. A vessel engaged in fishing, when under way, shall, so far as possible, keep out of the way of 1. A vessel not under command, 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to manoeuvre. Paragraph D. 1. Any vessel other than a vessel not under command or a vessel restricted in her ability to manoeuvre shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid impeding the safe passage of a vessel constrained by her draft, exhibiting the signals in Rule 28. 2. A vessel constrained by her draft shall navigate with particular caution, having full regard to her special condition. Paragraph E. A seaplane on the water shall, in general, keep well clear of all vessels and avoid impeding their navigation. In circumstances, however, where risk of collision exists, she shall comply with the rules of this part. Paragraph F. 1. A wig craft, when taking off, landing and in flight near the surface, shall keep well clear of all other vessels and avoid impeding their navigation. 2. A wig craft operating on the water surface shall comply with the rules of this part as a power-driven vessel.